أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
وقال الملك ائتوني به فلما جاءه الرسول قال ارجع إلى ربك فاسأله ما بال النسوة اللاتي قطعن أيديهن إن ربي بكيدهن عليم.
The king said, "Bring him to me." And when the envoy came to him, he said, "Go back to your master, and ask him about the intentions of the women who cut their hands. My lord is well aware of their schemes."
قال ما خطبكن إذ راودتن يوسف عن نفسه قلن حاش لله ما علمنا عليه من سوء قالت امرأة العزيز الآن حصحص الحق أنا راودته عن نفسه وإنه لمن الصادقين.
He said, "What was the matter with you, women, when you tried to seduce Joseph?" They said, "Allah forbid. We knew of no evil committed by him." The governor's wife then said, "Now the truth is out. It was I who tried to seduce him, and he is telling the truth."